Hola everybody, and welcome to Schoolwork All-in-One Fun with your autistic mentor and teacher Bella Jansen, where we are busy with Afrikaans First Additional Language Series. Now let's take a look at the negative, ontkenning. That means I say no, not yes, ne? I deny it. Is something like it is? No, it is not. Alright, now, what we struggle with to remember when it gets to ontkenning, the negative in Afrikaans, we struggle to remember that the negative in Afrikaans needs to have a double nie. Alright, in English, we only use the single nie. In English, we only say not. Do you have a pen? No, I don't. I do not. But in Afrikaans, we have to use the double nie. Now, here's an easy way that we're going to remember that. Okay. Now, remember we play and make it easy. What is this part of your body? This thing here. Now, that looks like this. I'm not much of a drawer. This is your knee. Now, and it sounds like the Afrikaans word nie. And how many knees do you have? Hoeveel knees het jy? Jy het 2 knees. So now every time I need to switch a sentence over in die ontkenning, dan klap ek op my knees. En ek moet 2 klappe hê. Het jy 'n pen? Nee, ek het nie 'n pen nie. Haha! Is jy kwaad? Nee, ek is nie kwaad nie. So if you answer your sentence and you read it, check if you see if you can clap both knees. If there's one knee short, dan weet jy short nog 'n nie. Okay, so this is the easy way we're going to remember it. Nie sounds like nie. I've got 2 of them, ek het 2, and it sounds like my Afrikaans word nie. Ek het nie 'n pop nie. Ek het nie 'n pen nie. Alright. Now we get on to the sentence construction. Waar moet my 2 knees wees? Where do I need to put my 2 knees in a sentence construction, a negative sentence? Right, easy. Let's learn our sentence construction recipe. Subject, verb, nie, the first one. Blah, 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 me, the second one. So my second nie is always at the very end. And how will I remember that? Subject, verb, nie, blah, 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 me. Yes. So now I know 2 knees. And where do I put it into the Afrikaans sentence? Subject, verb, nie, blah, 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 me. Alright. Example. Is hy kwaad? Subject, verb, nie. Ek is nie kwaad nie. Blah, blah, nie. Right. Gaan jy sokker speel vanmiddag? Nee. Subject, verb, nie. Ek gaan nie. Blah, 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 blah. Sokker speel vanmiddag? Nie. Right. And there you got your sentence. Okay, now let's quickly take a look at, kom ons kyk gou-gou, na die substitutions. In Afrikaans, we can substitute the first nie with one of these words. But remember, that doesn't cancel out the second nie. Alright, and can I have 3 knees? No, I can't. Nee. Alright, dan is jy 'n alien as jy 3 knees het. Alright, I can say iemand becomes niemand. I can say iets becomes niks. I can say ergens becomes nêrens. I can say al becomes nog nie. Nee. I can say nog nie meer. Alright. Now these two we struggle with a lot. Al and nog. Alright. Okay. Now, al. Can we fix it to the English substitution already? Het jy al jou toets geskryf? Did you write your test already? No, nog nie, not yet. And so we're going to learn it. And nog is more. Het jy nog sweets? Now I've got no more, nee. Nee, ek het nie meer sweets, nie. So, this is how we're going to remember al en nog. Al, already, nog, more. Het jy al rugby gespeel? Ek het nog nie, not yet, rugby gespeel, nie. Het jy nog sweeties in jou tas? Nee, it's all sold out. Ek het nie meer, no more, sweeties in my tas, nie. And that is as easy as ontkenning the negative in Afrikaans gets. My tune is subject, verb, blah, 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 nie, and my substitutions. Remember, the substitutions substitute one knee, but then I still need to clap the other knee that needs to go to the back of the sentence. Alright, give me that thumbs up, subscribe, and if I see you again, we are carrying on with the correct form of the word.